Hey Salmon Squad, it's me Jen, Program Specialist with Cascade Fisheries. Since 2000, Cascade Fisheries has been identifying collaborative solutions that benefit our communities and recover our iconic native fishes. Miles of critical habitat have been returned to endangered spring chinook, threatened bull trout and steelhead, and native cutthroat and rainbow trout through our enhancement projects. These projects include side channel enhancements, culvert removals, and riparian plantings. Our successes in salmon recovery would not be possible without the support and participation of super cool folks like you.